right, so here is the before of my model. And as you can see, she has very long hair. It goes down to the center of her back. And what she shared with me is she wanted to cut it all off and bring it to about the jaw length area. So we're going for a complete change here. So here is me basically grabbing the hair in one chunk and removing primarily all of the length. I know I'm going to cut the hair at about the jaw length, so I might as well just get rid of all that hair to make it easier to work with. All right, so what I've done here is I've taken a center section down the center of the back of the head and divided it from the right side to the left side. And now I'm taking my very first section, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle, meaning longer at the occipital bone, shorter at the neck. I'm going to be basically doing a graduated bob in the back of the haircut. My model shared she wanted to take her hair short, but she wanted it full and thick. So graduation, when you cut hair using graduation, graduation is basically the buildup of weight, which makes the hair look fuller and thicker. So we're going to do a graduated bob here in the back. And basically, as you can see right now, I'm just simply taking sections, working my way up the right side, using the section underneath that I already have cut as my guide for the current section I'm about to cut. Before, we are going to simply cut a graduated bob in the back of this haircut. So I've completed the graduation on the right side as far as the back, and now I'm going to do the graduation on the left side of the head on the back. Once the graduation has been completely cut on both sides, the right and the left, as far as the back of the haircut, then we will address the outline at the front of the haircut. I'm just basically cleaning up the outline at the back of the graduation. Now I'm going to address the outline even more once the hair is dry, but for now I'm just cleaning it up, cleaning up the neck hair, and then we're going to go ahead and blow dry it, and then once the hair is dry, we will address the front of the haircut as well as cleaning up the graduation in the back of the haircut. So, the hair has been blow dried and it is time to cut the outline on the front of the haircut. Now, if I was doing a traditional graduated bob, I would cut a precision outline. But we decided to do something a little bit more contemporary, a little bit more edgy, and we are going through and slicing in the outline. This is going to give the haircut a little bit more of a contemporary and edgy look versus a traditional look. We surely could do a precision line and do more of a traditional graduated bob, but we were not going for a traditional look, which is why we decided to go through and slice in the outline. As you can see, the outline on the front of the hair has a more softer and edgier look versus a precision and traditional look. So I think it looks great. You could totally do both. In this particular case, we did not want traditional and precision. We wanted soft and edgy. All right, so I am now just going through and cleaning up the graduation in the back, making sure that the outline is nice and tight, and cutting off any inconsistencies in the graduation. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys like this haircut. It's basically a traditional graduated bob in the back, except we did an untraditional outline in the front. Instead of doing a precision outline, we free-handed and sliced in the outline so it was more soft and edgy and gave it a more contemporary look versus a traditional look. Again, you could totally do either or. In this particular case, we just chose to go for contemporary and edgy.